This is our Instagram and this is our Telegram. Now you can follow me on Instagram and you can join our Telegram channel. Both the links are given in the description and also in the pinned comment. Hello everyone, welcome to Code with Anurag, where you can find latest job updates and complete placement preparation. One big update is coming from HCL Technologies. HCL Technologies is hiring 2023, 2022 and 2021 passed batch candidates. For this, any degree candidates can apply. All branches candidates are eligible. There is no percentage criteria. Salary will be up to 5.5 lakhs per annum. Job location will be across India. This is a mass hiring. So in this video, I'll discuss what is the selection process, what are the required skills and how to apply. Everything I'll discuss in this video. So without wasting time, let's get started. Once you click on the apply link, which you will find in the description box of this video, then it will redirect you on this website jobupdates4u.com. Here you can read all the details regarding the job. You need to scroll and you can find everything. So salary will be between 3.5 to 5.5 lakhs per annum, depends upon your performance in the interview. After that, experience should be freshers. Test location and interview location both will be virtual. Job location will be across India. Last date to apply they did not mention. So please apply as soon as possible before they close the application. After that, required skills are good communication skills, knowledge of your core subjects, right? So after that, selection process, there will be total 3 rounds. Round 1 will be online exam. Once you clear online exam, then you will be eligible for technical interview. Once you qualify technical interview, then you will be eligible for HR interview, and if you clear HR interview, then you will receive the final offer letter from HCL. So if you have any education gap or any active backlogs, don't worry, you are eligible, you can apply, but you need to sign a bond for 1 year in order to join this company. So you need to click here to apply for this job. Once you click here, then you need to scroll. You can find multiple job roles which are open right here. You can see, so currently there are total 3 roles which are open here. One is graduate engineer trainee. For this, BE, BTech, ME, MTech candidates can apply. Second role is postgraduate trainee, right? For this, MBA or PG DBM, right? These candidates are eligible. After that, for graduate trainee, BA, BBA, BCom, BCA, BSc or B Pharma, these candidates are eligible. So based on your qualification you can apply. So for example, if you are from BE or BTech background, then simply you need to click here and then you need to click here apply now, right? Just click here. After that, it will redirect you on this website here. So there are total 4 steps. One is you need to register yourself. Second one is you need to verify email, then fill the application form online, then submit the application, right? So if you already have an account, simply you need to log in, and after login you need to fill the application form. But if you don't have any account on this HCL Tech website, don't worry, you need to click here register. Simple enter your name is full name, then email ID, then your phone number, then you will get OTP, then your state, right? After that, your city, then you need to enter the same captcha here, then you need to click here and then click on this register, right? So these are very basic 4 steps you need to apply, right? So please apply. This is really huge opportunity for all of you. Now after that, just one announcement. As you know that we already have this second YouTube channel, that is Job Dates for You. Here you will get daily latest job opportunities in Hindi. So please show your support for this channel as well. And this is our official channel Code with Anurag. Here you will get daily latest job opportunities with placement assistance. So please subscribe both the channels, right? Yeah, that's it from my side in this video. If you have any doubt, please feel free to ask in comment box. You can join a Telegram channel. I'll put a link in the description box. If you think this video is helpful, like this video, and you can subscribe the channel for more such videos. Thank you for watching this video, and please don't forget to follow me on Instagram.